Hello everybody and welcome. I'm excited to share with you my new kit for July. This will be available in both my Etsy shop and my KoFi shop as of today when you're watching this video. It is 20% off for the month of July, as I usually do. So for the month of release, you get 20% off. There will also be some freebies and some challenges this month as well. Now, normally I release my challenges on the weekend, but this time I'm going to do it on a Monday just because my routine's changed a little bit. So the challenges and freebies will be available from Monday. The challenge I will post here on YouTube, and the freebies you can get either in the Non-Stop Papercrafts Facebook group, or again they'll be available in my KoFi shop. They are still for free in my KoFi shop. You just put a 0 for the amount that you want to pay, and then you can download them for free. So the theme for this month is free spirit. I was really going for a really colourful boho theme. So there are 25 pages to the main kit. So I'll just share each of them with you. They are a mix of journal pages and ephemera pages as usual. So we've got this one here, nice and colourful, with a beautiful lady and a bird. And there are lots of kind of birds and patterns and things like that throughout this kit. And we have an elephant. Again, you'll see elephants throughout this as well. Really love these elephants as well. Really gorgeous. We've got a couple of collage pages. So again, has the elephant, a lady, a dream catcher, and again, all of those beautiful colours and florals. We have another lady, and then obviously you've got a lovely pattern there. So some of them are quite decorative, some of them are more plain for journaling. So this one could be used as a backing page. We've also got some with lines on if you are somebody that likes to write in your journals. So we've got some with lines, and another one, and another one with a bird on. Another bohemian lady. Another one of those gorgeous elephants. Really love him. So pretty. And another collage page. But yeah, lots of space for writing, but obviously still lots of colour, lots of decoration. We've got one that has thinner lines on. And another one with thinner lines. And then we've got one that just has some pale features in the background. Another quite decorative one. I love this one. I love her sitting there with her back to the page. One with all different paint splatters. And then again, they could just be used for backing pages or maybe the backs of tags. But we've got one in this kind of bluish green and then a kind of peachy pink colour. And then we come on to the ephemera. So we have some different tags here that again have some of the designs that we've already seen. So we've got some tags. We've then got some pockets that will fit those tags, and then we've got some other bits here. So we've got page tabs, we've got some washi strips and some different labels there. And then we've got some fussy cut boho ladies. So you've got lots to choose from. And then we've got some more fussy cuts. So this is just other elements. We've got flowers and feathers, that lovely elephant again. So lots on there. So that's the full kit. So as I say, there are 25 pages. There will be some freebies and challenges coming as well. As usual, my design team will be working on this as well. I do have a link for my design team down below. They're in a separate Linktree list, so go and check those ladies out, subscribe, follow, or whatever. I'm sure they will absolutely love your support, and they always bring such inspiration on how to use these papers as well. So if you're looking for some ideas, definitely go and check out all of those ladies. Well, that's all from me, a really short and sweet one today. As I say, this is available as of today. It's in my Etsy, it's in my Ko-fi, 20% off. All of the links and everything will be down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next crafty video. Bye for now.